Do your knees and your whole body hurt? Just grab 2 lemons and do this. The pains in the muscles and in the joints turn out to be quite annoying, besides impeding the free movement of the corporal zone where the pain is. However, many agree that the most acute pain that can exist is that of the knees. Since these are absolutely essential for each day, they allow us to walk, run, jump, sit, even go to bed. This is why a solution for knee pain should be completely necessary. The knees can fail due to different factors. Among the most common we can mention traumas by blows, poor circulation in the legs, by old age, among others. This is because the knees are also quite delicate. Simply by flexing them a little already there is a wear on them, so it is essential to keep them well cared for. Since we clarify that the knees must be a part that you must always keep under care and which you must be very aware, we also want to share with you a solution quite easy to relieve the pain in them, either by wear, by a blow or for whatever reason. The trick you will learn below will be ideal for relieving discomfort. For this recipe the only thing you will need is the following: 2 lemons, sesame oil. The procedure is performed as follows. 1. The first thing to do is cut the lemons into small pieces. Following this, place them in a thin cloth and moisten with hot sesame oil. 2. After completing the previous step, proceed to remove excess oil from the cloth. Immediately, you take the cloth next to the lemons and place it on your knees. You should now let the treatment work for about 10 minutes. Finally, remove and clean the area. Start this treatment at once and you will not suffer from pain in the knees or other joints. I